Hi everyone, good morning from Educating Path. It is the technical officer and farm manager job position in National Institute of Animal Biotechnology, NIAB, Hyderabad, Telangana. So NIAB is coming under the Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India. So they are recruiting the technical officer. The pay level is 6th as per the 7th pay commission. Age limit 35 years. Method of recruitment direct recruitment. So essential qualification for the technical officer BSc with 7-year experience or BTech, BVSc, MSc with 3-year experience. The next post is a farm manager. This is unreserved. Technical officer also unreserved. So the farm manager pay scale is 7th pay scale. Age limit 30 year. Method of recruitment direct recruitment. So essential qualification for the farm manager: graduation in animal husbandry, graduation in horticulture, master degree in life science. So further application and other experience and qualification details you can go through the website. So the website address www.niab.res.in. So application open on website in online mode 18/7/2022. So online application closing on 17/8/2022. So thank you, all the best for your future from Educating Path. So like that, if you want to get more and more government job notification, then you have to subscribe the Educating Path YouTube channel. Thank you.